Hey guys, welcome back. We all know that Xiaomi is always pushing the boundaries of phone screens in their Mi Mix series. And now they are taking this game to a next level with their brand new Mi Mix Alpha. With the surrounded display where the display meets at the other side of camera module. And guys, Xiaomi is claiming that more than 180% of screen to body ratio. The phone is looking as it is entirely made up of screen. On the side of phone there are pressure sensitive buttons and with the icons like network signal and battery level. And guys, the phone is coming with Samsung's new 108 megapixel camera sensor. The pixels are combined into 2x2 squares for better light sensitivity in low light, which in case will produce 27 megapixel images. And here is a camera sample of Mi Mix Alpha where the image is fully zoomed in and still it looks very sharp and crisp. And guys, if you are wondering how to take selfies in this phone, by just rotating the phone and using the back display and camera for viewfinding and taking selfies. And guys, there is no physical speaker grill in this phone because the speakers are embedded inside the display and the display itself will work as a speaker. The phone is coming with Snapdragon 855 Plus processor with 5G connectivity, 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. And the phone is coming with 40 watt wide fast charging and a 4050 mAh battery. And guys, here you can see the animation while the phone is charging, where the phone is glowing from downward to upward as it is charging. And guys, here you can see side bezel screen of the phone where you can see the battery percentage and network signal with some notifications and pressure sensitive volume button. The phone will go into small scale production this year and go on sale in December for $2,800. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can keep you updated.